The Reliant Fox is a small four-wheeled glass fiber utility vehicle manufactured by the Reliant Motor Company in Tamworth, England between 1983 and 1990. It used Reliant's own 850cc aluminium engine and a galvanized chassis similar to the Reliant Kittens. The Fox was the next in a long line of small four-wheeled economy cars produced by Reliant. The base vehicle was a pickup in design but could be sold with any corresponding rear hardtop for any job wanted. A rear hardtop could be bought to build an estate, a van, a canvas rear pickup, basic pickup, a half convertible. Development of the Reliant Fox. The Fox has an interesting history. Reliant has exported technology and designs to several companies and countries, including MEBEA in Greece, Robin and TW9 models. But in the case of this car, an almost reverse course was followed. Indeed, in the late 1970s, MEBEA attempted to develop a passenger utility vehicle, a type very popular in Greece at the time due to a law allowing such cars to be taxed as commercial vehicles. In that respect, it was one of several companies to build such a vehicle in this country, including Namco, Autokinito Mihani Elados, MAVA, Automechanica and others. MEBEA, which had already built the Reliant Robin under license, modified the four-wheel chassis of the Reliant Kitten in order to accommodate higher loads and developed the prototype of a light utility vehicle with glass fiber reinforced composite body. In order to produce it, though, MEBEA had to deal with the hurdle of obtaining type certification. This process was particularly complex for locally developed passenger cars, unlike other types of vehicles in Greece. Thus, MEBEA did what other Greek companies had also done. It sought a partner abroad. The procedure was much easier for vehicles already certified in another country. Reliant was the obvious choice, and the British company was involved in the final development and certification of the production version. The car was produced by MEBEA in Greece as the MEBEA Fox between 1979 and 1983. When the law favoring such cars was changed, sales dropped and production was terminated. A total of about 3,000 had been produced. After this, Reliant reused the design for themselves instead of shelving it. The Fox had a massive amount of details changed from the Greek version, with Reliant apparently spending £500,000 on alterations for the UK version. Reliant started producing the Fox in the Tamworth factory in 1983. As an informal successor to the Kitten, about 600 were built in the UK until 1990. After production finished, a later restyle was designed using a hatchback from the later Robin and the front end designed similar to the Reliant Metro cab, but this never got further than the drawing board stage. A preservation society exists for four-wheeled small Reliants called the Reliant Kitten Register. Specification: MEBE Fox. The MEBE Fox was a design created around the Reliant Kitten. A Kitten chassis and 10-inch wheels made a rolling chassis, with the Fox's body being a complete new design from scratch for a fun-in-the-sun vehicle. Like the Kitten, it used the standard Reliant 850cc engine and standard axle ratio of 3.23/1. Reliant Fox. For the UK version of the Fox, there were a number of alterations. The most noticeable is the front of the Fox gained a skirt for better aerodynamics at speed. The car also now had 12-inch wheels for better grip and ride comfort. Brakes also had some alterations. Under the skin, the Fox now had the Reliant E-Economy, nicknamed the Yellow Top, engine, which gave the car a greater MPG figure and more low-end torque. To go with this engine, the axle ratio was changed to 4/1 for pulling weight rather than speed. The chassis was galvanized for better resistance to corrosion. Heavier springs and a more robust tie bar setup on the front end made for a more commercial vehicle. The Reliant Tempest 852-seater sports car and the Vantique van were built new, using all Fox parts. Top speed, 78 miles per hour mpg, 60 mpg HP, 39 horsepower. References: Quattro Ruote, Tutla Auto del Mondo 1982 1983. Editorial Domus, Milano, 1982. In this book the MEBEA Fox is erroneously presented as Fox MEBEA. Daily Express Guide to 1982 World Cars. Motor Fair Edition. 1981. External links